Here at the wait, what ship is this again?
USS Lexington.
Oh yeah, USS Lexington. In Corpus Christi. This is crazy. Look at this. We just went to like a 3D model of riding a plane. Oh my god, we're going on. Here. Okay, yeah, this is actually sick. Yeah, what is this? This is...
Why can't you just touch the real shit?
Yeah, why is everything painted? It's like... You can see the freaking paint cracking. This is crazy. We're under the ocean? Bro.
The chief is and welcome to Lexington's aft engine room. This
Don't really care. Look at it, so cute. Ra-ta-ta. Oh, probably shouldn't have made that. Yeah, this is crazy. It doesn't do anything. We just start sinking like crazy. Yo. Oh, here to the nose. Yo, I think Witten's a professional pilot.
The boat just starts moving.
Ahead throttle. It's not doing anything.
I was turning the engine.
Fire extinguisher. Another flight of stairs. Should we go up? Yeah. These are steep. Dad, can you even get up here?
No, I can't.
Oh, you're right. You might. Ow. I'm sorry. I'm trying. This is more stairs. Another set of stairs. Get your butt out of my face. I made it alive. Oh, here you are. Oh, hello, soldier. Yo, this is made out of like freaking toothpicks or something. Another. Oh, look at. What is?
Coca-Cola, Chris?
Those aren't retro.
U.S. Franklin CV killed in action. You guys can read that if you want to. Flakes! Ooh, they got breakfast. Okay, I see you. This is better than the. Oh, look at the waffles. It's better than the stuff we got at home. I got infected bread, so. Ow! It is hot in here. Another set of stairs.
How do you think we're gonna get up?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
We're going down. We gotta go up.
Bro, we just farted. Oh, I can. Wait, oh my gosh.
Oh, the post office.
That's so cute. Oh, no thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, it has AC. Oh my gosh.
I think it's like that as a bathroom.
Imagine we open it up and one of the mannequins is sitting on the toilet.